Before an inspector blasts out an email. Before you send everyone that you know an email that markets your business, prepare your website and check the analytics. Website analytics helps inspectors pay attention to how they are nurturing people or enticing and persuading people into hiring them as inspectors. Website analytics is about tracking, measuring, and reporting on website traffic, because if it's worth doing, it's worth measuring. And you can measure how well your marketing, including email, is doing by looking at the analytics. For example, let's say you blast out an email. You should track and measure how many people read that email and click it to visit your inspection website. Then you can count the number of people who visit your website and click the Schedule Now button. And finally, you can measure how many jobs you scheduled off of that email campaign. If your website design company doesn't provide that kind of website data, that's not good. Get away from that design company. And if they tell you that you have to use Google Analytics to figure all that stuff out for yourself, that's not good either. You don't need to use Google Analytics. Instead, you can hire a website design company that uses Google Analytics and makes your website performance data easy for you to understand. You own the website, right? Then you should easily know what you're looking at when checking and measuring your own website's performance. InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs is at nachi.org/website, and they make access to view your website data analytics very easy to understand. Now, go back to writing and designing that fantastic email. I can't wait to see it in my inbox.